Hello children, good morning. So I hope you all are fit and fine. So children, in our today's class we will go through session number 7 online transaction and the topic is e-reservation. For this here our class begins. So children, in our previous class we discussed about this online transaction session number 7 and e-commerce. E-commerce means e means online, commerce means business. And in our previous class we discussed about e-shopping, how we can do, what are the advantages of e-shopping and what are the disadvantages of e-shopping. So children, now we will take one quick revision to what we covered there, that how we can do this online shopping. First is online shopping. E-commerce means that buying and selling product online with the help of internet. And here you can check any site you can open on Google. This one is the home page. When you log in, so you will get so many steps are there. First one is here you can check that so many websites are there: Amazon.com, eBay.com, Snapdeal, Flipkart, and so many options are there by which you can do this online shopping. So here e-shopping, first you have to log in with your account. If login is not there, the account is not there, you have to create your account. Log in with login ID and password and then log in your account. And then one window will appear. This one is the home page. Here in search box you have to write down what product you want and then your search related product, that it will show you all the options, whatever the options available there. Now from these products you can select the best which suits your requirement, and then by this when you are clicking on any product, that product description is there. From here you can read the description of the product. If you are satisfied, then click on buy now. Otherwise add to cart option, by which you can add it in your cart and later on you will decide. Okay, when you are clicking buy now, then again this will show you all the details of your account here. From now you can check that all the details are perfect or not. If you want to do any change, you can do, and then click on save and continue. When you are clicking on save and continue, now third step is order summary. It will show you the detail that what product you purchase, how much quantity, delivery date and all that here. If you are satisfied, then click on continue. When you are clicking on continue, fourth step is your payment method. Payment method is what option you want. Here you can place your card number, expiry date, CVV number, backside of your ATM card, 3-4 digit number is there. Name on card, what is there, and then click on save and pay. When you are clicking on this one, now your product is ordered from your site. Children, some advantages of e-shopping is time saving. Time save hoga when you are doing all the things from your home. Wide range of options are available. Market में नहीं होता, that thing is also available here. Different brands at one single place. ठीक है, different things you can check. Cost saving is there, that you travel fare it save. Product description and review is there. You can read it, and if you satisfied, then only you can buy that product. Non-compulsive shopping, ticket is not compulsory. What are the disadvantages of this e-shopping? Non-trusted sites are there. Okay, it's up to you that you have to differentiate between trusted and non-trusted site. You will purchase any product from trusted sites only. Next is data security is there. Data security, one more major issue, disadvantage, that always try to do the payment with the help of safer mode. Okay, means you can do the shopping from those sites only which are fully satisfied, which are fully secured. ठीक है, ट्रस्टेड साइट से ही शॉपिंग करना है. एंड लैक ऑफ पर्सनल टच इज देयर, that we are doing this shopping online. So disadvantage is that we are doing fun that in offline shopping, this thing is not here. Shipping charges, one more disadvantage, it will add extra cost in the product. Delayed delivery in remote areas, we have already paid, so this one is one more disadvantage. Amount already we paid, but we are waiting for the product, so this one is disadvantage. Refund or exchanging follow up, sometimes this one is cumbersome process and it is difficult for us to refund that product. Okay, this one is one cumbersome process. Children, in our today's class, we will discuss about e-reservation. E means online. Online when we are doing this reservation, ticket reservation, and it will be means that e-reservation means online we are booking any ticket. Okay, so that one is e-reservation. It is convenient and easy way for booking tickets. ठीक है, of booking tickets. Line में नहीं खड़ा होना पड़ता and we are convenient at any time we can do. Otherwise, if you want to do the reservation on railway reservation side, ठीक है, on that if you are going this and manually you want to do the reservation, you will check lot of one big line is there and then you are waiting there for long time. Okay, so that one is cumbersome process. So here e-reservation means online reservation, online ticket reservation, and in this we can easily book the tickets. अब ये ट्रेन रिजर्वेशन हुआ, बुक बस रिजर्वेशन, फ्लाइट रिजर्वेशन, मूवी रिजर्वेशन. ठीक है, इन होटल यू कैन बुक द रूम्स ऑल्सो. ओयो रूम्स इज देयर ना. ठीक है, कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल, टेबल्स इन रेस्टोरेंट. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द e-reservation. E-reservation means online reservation. ठीक है, what is the advantages of this e-reservation? First one is convenience. Convenience that at any time we can do this reservation or we can book these tickets anytime, anywhere. ठीक है, so this one is the first advantage of this e-reservation, convenient process है. Second is scope for discount. So many websites are there. ठीक है, competition is there in between them, so they are giving you the best deal among them. ठीक है, so this one is the scope of discount is there. But if you are going there manually, they will not offer you any discount. So this one is the second advantage of this e-reservation. Next is quick and easy. That here quick and easy task is there. You will got the e-ticket and it will complete reservation process. It will take hardly few minutes. But if you are going there online offline, so they will give you form. Then they will tell you this thing remains. So many people are there. Time consuming. ठीक है, some mistake is there. Suppose they are placing wrong age. So according to that one is little bit tough process. And this e-reservation, e-ticket booking is quick and easy task. Commission free. Commission free is there. Children, you will check that there is no middleman is involved between them. ठीक है, so reducing the cost is there. And it is easy that we can do. Suppose you have purchased or you buy any ticket online and now you are not able to go there, so free cancellation and easy refund policy they are having. You will go there on online in your account. ठीक है, cancel that ticket, they will give you refund in that account only. Online they can do all this task. So what are the advantages of this e-reservation? First one is convenient है. ठीक है, at any time anywhere you can do this reservation. Scope for discount is there. Different companies are there. ठीक है, so they will give you the best deal. Quick and easy, that you can easily or you can quickly do this within few minutes you can buy the tickets. ठीक है, and commission free, no middleman is there. Free cancellation, easy refund policy is there. Some examples of this e-reservation sites: IRCTC, Indian Railway, Catering Tourist Corporation. ठीक है, Make My Trip, Trivago.com, Redbus.com, Book My Show, Yatra.com, and so many are there. Oyo rooms you can take है ना. So first is how we can book any ticket in IRCTC, Indian Railway, Catering and Tourism Corporation. If you want to buy any or you want to purchase any ticket, online reservation करवाना है, how we can do? So first in your browser you have to write www.irctc.co.in. when you are writing this, so this IRCT website will open. Okay, so here is the option that you can first in this side, this one you will check this one option here, this one. ठीक है, when you are clicking on this one you will get the option that if your account is not there, first you have to create there your account. ठीक है, if your account is there then click on this login option. Each and both the options are available here. ठीक है, then this login window will appear. Here you will insert your ID and password, and here is one something captcha is there. ठीक है, some captcha is there. whatever written over here you will write down here in this box. Children, why this captcha is there? Captcha actually इसको हम बोलते हैं captcha. ठीक है, few I have seen ना that in Gmail also few numbers are there, some in capital, some in small, number letter combination is there. What is that one? That one is captcha. ठीक है, और कैप्चा क्यों यूज होता है? दैट दे दिस इफ यू आर राइटिंग प्रॉपर गुड, मतलब इफ यू आर राइटिंग प्रॉपर वट एवर रिटन देयर ना टेक्स्ट, इफ यू आर राइटिंग द सेम टेक्स्ट देयर, इट मीन्स नाउ कंप्यूटर विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस कंप्यूटर इज नॉट ऑपरेटेड बाय एनी रोबोट. ठीक है, सो कैप्चा किस लिए होता है? दैट टू एंश्योर दैट दिस कंप्यूटर इज नॉट ऑपरेटेड बाय एनी रोबोट. So for this you have whatever the instruction is written here, you have to fill in this box and then click on this sign in option. ठीक है, login. When you are clicking on this login, now your page will open. ठीक है, here you can check, here you can check that you have to place book your ticket. Here you will check, you will write down that your station, ठीक है, station from to date, ठीक है, and in which you want this ticket. ठीक है, AC 2 tier or 1 tier or sleeper like this, and then click search. ठीक है, it will show you, it will search all the train tickets. ठीक है, all the trains available on this route, it will show you that all the trains. Here is AC, you are writing na AC tier 2, so it will show you that in this train, in this, here is the AC train or AC seat is available. Check availability. ठीक है, and fare. Now you will select the train timing, check कर लिया. ठीक है, AC seat is also available. Then click on this check availability and fare. When you are clicking on this one, this particular train description is will now available here. You will check that this particular train description is available here. Train details is there. ठीक है, date time सब आ गया. Now here you will check when you are selecting any train. Now you have to fill the passenger form. ठीक है, it is not clear here but in your book you will check na, it will be clear there. You have to fill this passenger form, that name, age कितनी है, male female is there. ठीक है, and all these details you have to fill here. And if you want to, suppose you are the 3 members those who are going there, add passenger, click किया, one more window will appear, one more row will appear. Fill all the entries, and after filling all the entries you have to fill all these entries. ठीक है, and then click on next. Now this one is a page that will verify that all the details are proper or not. ठीक है, from here you will check that these are the details are proper or not. Person name, whose age, ठीक है, and all the things are here. You will check that these things are proper or not. If okay, then click on next. When you are clicking on next, now this window will appear. This one is the payment option, just similar to your online shopping. ठीक है, from here you will select which method you will use, and from here you will select, suppose you are selecting that net banking. ठीक है, from here you will select that which bank you will use. When you are selecting your bank, then that particular bank will open. ठीक है, that page will open, and there you will do the fill the entries. और suppose you want to cancel this ticket, तो later on करना क्या पड़ेगा? Again you will open this site IRCTC, ID पासवर्ड प्लेस किया. ठीक है, योर इट विल शो यू, here you will check, यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन होता है योर बुकिंग, क्लिक ऑन दैट वन, देन कैंसिल ऑप्शन आ जाता है, क्लिक ऑन कैंसिल ऑप्शन. ठीक है, एंड the account from which you are doing payment na, it will automatically, that refund will come automatically in that account. Okay, so in this manner we are doing this online reservation. If it is possible, try to do that. First you have to create your account in IRCTC, and in this manner you can do this reservation process. So this one is the method. ठीक है, here are some important instructions for easy reservation. स्पेशली सीनियर सिटीजन्स होते हैं, दे आर गेटिंग कंसेशन. ठीक है, तो ऑल द सीनियर सिटीजन कैन अवेल द कंसेशन बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन द बॉक्स अंडर द सीनियर सिटीजन ऑप्शन. ठीक है, सेकेंड इज while processing the payment, make sure that whole process is completed successfully and your e-ticket is generated. Children, when you are doing this online transaction, and within few seconds that they will send you the e-ticket on your mobile number, registered mobile number and the registered mail ID. ठीक है, दोनों जगह e-ticket आ जाता है. that you will wait, जब पेमेंट हो गया you will wait कि आपका जो टिकट है it will be available on your mobile, and then only you will log out from there. While the payment is in the stage of processing, do not back or refresh buttons. ठीक है, sometime the payment process take time, so be patient. Sometime what happen, that amount will be deducted from your account, but your ticket will not there in the ticket. ठीक है, तो ticket reserve नहीं हो पाता. So for this you have be patient. First you will wait that complete transaction will done, बिकॉज समटाइम इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी स्लो, और जिसकी वजह से आपका जो अकाउंट, आपका जो स्लिप है, जो टिकट है, वो बुक नहीं हो पाता है. ठीक है, सो वेट फॉर दिस प्रोसेस एंड समटाइम इट टेक्स टाइम. Next is, it is mandatory for every passenger to carry an identity proof during the journey. We all are aware that if during journey, either offline reservation or online reservation, in both the cases you will take your ticket along with you, or that some ID proof along with you. So this one is your responsibility. So children, here two examples are there, sorry, two MCQs are there. First is online shopping. Online shopping refers to buying product from a shop. No, it is wrong. From market, wrong. Buying product using the internet, yes, this one is online shopping. Next is, which one of the following is not an online store? Online store, Amazon, Flipkart, IRCTC. Children, IRCTC is not an any online store. ठीक है, store नहीं है, that one is a reservation site. So this one is the answer. Again we will take one quick look what we covered in our today's class. So children, from my side, this session number 7 is completed, and in this online reservation and yesterday's online, in previous class, online shopping we have done. So in our today's class we have discussed that online reservation, e-reservation, what are the advantages. Convenient होता है, time saving, scope is there for the discount because so many companies are there, so they will give us the best deal. Quick and easy for all of us, that within few minutes reservation done. Commission free, no middleman is there. Free cancellation and easy refund. Free cancellation and easy refund, that whatever from which account you are doing this payment now, in the same account they will refund the amount. ठीक है, when if you cancel the ticket. Few websites are there: IRCTC, Make My Trip, Trivago.com, Redbus.com, Book My Show, Yatra.com, and so many sites are available from by which you can do this reservation. But how we can do the reservation with IRCTC? Children, here reservation, first you have to open in Google address bar, you have to write down irctc.co.in. When you are doing this, click on this menu option. When you are clicking on this menu option, there is login option and there is sign in option also. First you have to create your account. When you are creating your account, you will, this one is your login. ठीक है, here you have to place your ID and password, and captcha is there. You have to fill this captcha. Captcha is for checking that on that side the person who is operating this computer is not a robot, that one is a person, human being. So this one is captcha is there. For next is, here is you will check the register agent login. ठीक है, so this one is your normal account. So next is, when you enter this one new window will appear. Here you will select your train, your date, ठीक है, and which ticket you want, AC or वो, like this you then find train. When you are clicking on this one window will appear, all the trains available on this route it will select, and from here you will select that AC चाहिए, sleeper चाहिए, you will select your type, ठीक है, train name, and here from here you will select that check availability and for booking. When you end here, when you are clicking on this one, suppose this train is perfect according to my routine, ठीक है, this one is perfect, so then I click on this check availability and fare. When I am clicking here, the detail of this train will be there, ठीक है, you have to click select that train, ठीक है, train each and everything is here. अब मुझे इसी ट्रेन में बुकिंग करानी है, then click here. Now this window will appear. Here you have to fill all the entries. Here your name, your age, father name, and all these things you have to fill. You want to add 2-3 passenger, add passenger, second entry fill, add passenger, third entry fill. After filling all the details, you will click on next. ठीक है. After confirming all the things, this window will appear. Here this will show the detail verification. ठीक है. You will do the verification that name is correct, age is correct, each and everything is correct, and then click on next. When you're clicking on next, this window will appear. Last option is this payment option. From here you will select your bank, your type. ठीक है. Then select your bank, and then same process is there, your card number and CVV number and all these things you have to place. And at last, when you are from your side payment you have done now, you will wait for few seconds. It will provide the e-ticket on the registered mobile number and your Gmail account. Children, when you are doing reservation, here two types of reservation are there. few are live reservation, few are non live. ठीक है. तो live reservation क्या होता है, that I am placing reservation here and at the same time they confirm my ticket, so that one is live reservation. I am doing this reservation, but they are right now my ticket is in waiting mode, so that one is, that reservation is non live reservation. Okay, so these, in this manner you can do the reservation, and few instructions are there. So I hope you all have done whatever I want to deliver to you. You all will learn it very well. If you found any problem, you can tell this to me. And thank you so much for listening me, class. Thank you. Thank you, class.